Do you want to buy USDT and other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin in the United Arab Emirates? If you want to use a direct bank transfer to do so, Binance app is the easiest and the safest. So, if you are new to buying and selling crypto on the Binance platform using peer-to-peer, or you already have some idea but want to improve your knowledge and skills, all you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe, and let us get started. Once you log in into your Binance account, at the main menu, click on the More button. Then you see more options be revealed. Click on the peer-to-peer. This box here where you see P2P, okay? The peer-to-peer buying and selling page will then be open. As you can see on the screen, it's already set into the buying option. That's why it's indicating green. To change it from buying to selling, you simply have to click this button, the sell button. But before we even go further, there is something very important that we have to do. At the top right corner, click this drop down button so that you can select the currency we need to use while buying our USDT. So input AED, which is dirhams. Remember, we're going to buy USDT using our UAE bank via direct bank transfer. If you go back here at the buying page, you can see all these merchants that are waiting to sell us their USDT while we're buying from them, and you can see the rate at which they are waiting to sell to us. For example, this seller here called Kolachi Exchange is willing to sell us in between 200 to 589 dirhams worth of USDT, okay? And the rate at which it is selling is 3.685. That means we have to pay him 3 dirhams 0.685 in order for him to give us 1 USDT. You can also see more important information about the terms of this trade. For example, it needs you to complete a bank transfer to a specified bank just 15 minutes after you have placed an order with him. You can also see the number of trades he has completed, which is 1,193. He has a 98.70% finish rate. So let us actually try to place an order with him and see. Okay, as you can see, in this box is where we have to input our amount we want to buy from him. We'll put the amount of dirhams we want to pay to him, and down below here, the amount of USDT we shall receive will be indicated. That means for 200 dirhams, we shall receive 54.22 USDT. Okay, and the means of payment is a bank transfer. So if we are okay with the terms and conditions of this service, we shall proceed and then place the order. So that is how you buy directly from any merchant on the Binance peer-to-peer. But here is something very interesting that most people never pay attention to. Check, if you come here at the top of the peer-to-peer page, you'll see that we have a peer-to-peer, which is P2P, and also we have the Express. We also have the block trade, but let's talk about the most exciting feature, which is the Express. When you buy crypto using the Express option, it will save you a lot of time and save you from dealing with the scammers. Here is why. All you have to do is input the amount of money in dirhams that you want to spend to buy USDT, okay? And once that is done, you select the payment method that you want to use. As you can see below, we have a bank transfer and also we have a cash deposit transfer. And for either of these methods, you'll be seeing the exchange rate. All right, let me know in the comments if everything is clear. So technically here, Binance will match you with the right traders. Okay, they will match your trade against those traders who are verified with a proven track record and good feedback from all the past trades. So once you place an order on the Binance peer-to-peer, you'll be brought to this page. As you can see on the screen below here, we have the view payment details. When you click on it, you'll see this message, transfer via bank transfer, okay? You will also see the amount you have to pay. You see the names of the account holder, the bank account number, the bank name, the account branch of opening, plus the IBN number. So all you have to do is copy this information and then head to your banking application. Initiate an instant transfer. Personally, I prefer to use my ADCB account. Avoid using salary payment wallets like Payit and C3 as these cannot process instant transfers. Once you have initiated the transfer, paste the information you copied from the Binance peer-to-peer. Complete the transaction and then go back to the Binance platform. And the next step is the most important step, and always keep in mind, you should never click the notify seller button before actually completing the payment. But once you have completed your payment, always make sure to click this notify seller button. It will notify the seller that the payment has been made in order for them to go and check their account so that they can release your crypto to you in your Binance account. Binance peer-to-peer also has a feature where you can chat directly with different sellers and buyers once you enter into a trade. So you can also take a screenshot of the payment and send it directly in the chat. Avoid communicating with the seller outside of the Binance chat, because if anything bad or unfortunate happens, you won't be protected by the Binance. Some of the important things you need to keep in mind is that once you place the order with any seller, their crypto or USDT will be locked by Binance. So by clicking the notify seller button, you notify Binance as well that you have completed your payment. So if the seller doesn't release your crypto and it doesn't make an appeal in less than 15 minutes, the crypto will be released into your account. Binance is one of the easiest and safest applications you can use to buy Bitcoin and USDT in the United Arab Emirates using different payment methods, amongst which direct bank transfer is one of them.